In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Adobe Acrobat on your laptop. Keeping your software up to date is crucial as it ensures you have the latest features, security enhancements, and bug fixes, making your experience smoother and safer. Now, let's dive right into the process. To start, you need to be on the home page of your Adobe Acrobat application. Once you're there, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the menu option. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to all the different features and settings Adobe Acrobat has to offer. After clicking on Menu, navigate to the Help section. This is where you'll find a plethora of support options available to you. Within this Help menu, you'll notice an option that says Check for Updates. You'll want to click on that. This is an incredibly handy feature because it allows Acrobat to connect with Adobe's servers to determine if there are any updates available that you haven't yet installed. Once you've clicked Check for Updates, you'll need to be a little patient. Your Adobe Acrobat will begin gathering information from the server to check if there are any new updates available. This process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection and how many updates are pending. While it checks for updates, it's a good idea to ensure that your internet connection is stable. If you have a slow or intermittent internet connection, the process could take longer, or in some cases, even fail. So, a steady connection is key to a smooth update process. If the system finds that updates are available, it will prompt you with options to download and install them. Follow the prompts and ensure you allow the process to complete without interruption. During this time, it's best not to try performing any other heavy tasks on your laptop, as it might interfere with the download and installation process. Once the updates are downloaded, Adobe Acrobat will guide you through the installation. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, and if needed, restart Adobe Acrobat when prompted. Sometimes the application might require you to restart your laptop to fully implement the updates. And there you have it. You've successfully updated Adobe Acrobat on your laptop. Updating regularly not only brings in new features, but also protects your device from potential security threats by patching vulnerabilities that might exist in older versions. Thank you for following along with me today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it and leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Stay updated and take care.